We are taking one new project in Kotlin. After that we are writing the design. That is, in design is you will write in layout activity underscore main dot xml file, this one. Okay, in this we will write the design. First we are creating the functions in Kotlin. Okay, function is some function we are writing. First we will take linear layout, match parent. After that we are closing this. Yes, we are taking the edit text. To edit text, one is for taking the value 1 and another is taking the value 2. So for this id I am taking id and I call id is equal to plus id edt1, edit text value 1. Okay, next I am taking one more edit text. The value for that to enter second value. Okay, now edt2, this one edt1 and this one is edt2. After that we need to write one button to click and get the values of edt1 and edt2 first. Okay, button, that is width match parent, height is wrap content, and id for this button is plus id sum. Okay, now we are closing this. So here we need to write orientation also. The buttons are arranged in vertical manner. Okay, this is the design. Okay, yes, we are writing here text value is sum. Okay, now in Kotlin we are writing on function. How to write a functions? In Kotlin we are having fun is a keyword to write the functions. Function fun, and writing function name is sum, and the value for first one a, and return type for this is integer. A colon int, b colon int, again it is an integer type. A and b both the values are type of integer. Now return type of this method is integer again. Okay, open close brace. Here we are writing the function return a plus b. Okay, now we are writing click listener event. We are writing the events. Okay, here what is the event? We are writing the event for this button, sum button. Okay, sum dot set on click listener. What is this click listener? Here writing toast dot make text this sum is plus sum of, here we are passing two values 2, 3, and the duration, how much time we need to display the pop-up toast message. Okay, dot show. Okay, this is the thing. Now we will check this one. Now the APK is installed. Here we are writing 2 and 3. If you click on sum, the value of sum is 2 is displaying. Okay, sum is 2. So now we will write one more function subtraction. That means we are writing one more button for subtraction. Sub. Okay, here also we are writing sub. ID and the text value we are changing. Now we are writing one more function. Function sub Subtraction is minus b. Subtraction means minus b. Here we are writing sub function. Okay. Now we are writing one more event, that is sub dot set on click listener of toast dot make test. We are writing here again same thing, but we are changing the method name, that is function name. Here sub is subtraction of, here we will write a big value first and second value is less 3 2. Okay, now click this one. Now the APK is installing. Now this value, see this 5 2, subtraction is 3, subtraction value is 3. Okay, now like this we will write multiplication also. Same thing we will write for multiplication. See, here we are writing, instead of sending values here statically, we need to get the values from the text box. edt1 dot text dot toString, and we need to convert this one into integer also, to int again. Okay, fine. But first we send these values not dynamically. By default we are placing the values previously. For now we are getting the values from the design itself. Okay, now again edt2 dot text dot, first we are getting the values in the format of string, after that we are converting this to integer. Okay, same thing here we are writing. Okay, now subtraction and multiplication is done. Now the APK is installing. Installed. Now here we are rendering a value 8 and second value 7. Now sum is 15 and subtraction is 1. Okay, now the values are taken from the text boxes. Previously we are given the values static. Now we are getting the values dynamically from the edit text boxes. After that we are writing one more function for multiplication. Just we are writing the laws, changing the logic. Here we are writing, we need to complete the design for that multiplication button also. Multiplication button also. This is MUL. Now we are writing one more function is mul. Now we are writing one more function mul. Here mul dot event. Mul dot set on click listener. Same thing we are writing. Just we are changing the method name. The parameters are same for both. Parameters are same for the both. Here it is a mul value, multiplication. See this, 5 into 90. Multiplication is 450. Okay. Now we are writing one more function, that is division. Division. Okay. We are writing one more function, division. Same division. Function division I am writing. Div dot set on click listener of. Anyway, if you are writing the function inside, it is also okay, or writing outside is also okay. That means inside these braces is also okay, or writing like this is also okay. It's working fine in both the situations. Now division I'm printing. Now division I'm printing. Now the values are div method. Div method we are passing the value edit text 1 and edit text 2. Now I think here I am writing wrong capital letter. So div edit text 1. Okay, now I am running the application. We'll see. See guys, here I am writing division. For example, if I write 6, 2, what is the division? Division is 3. Okay. Okay guys, this is about the functions in Kotlin. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue with next another concept. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.